Hi everyone, it's Trading Mythbusters. Today once again we are testing popular trading strategies by some influencers, and today we are testing head and shoulders pattern. We will take as base this video with 375,000 views, and head and shoulders pattern is a very basic trading strategy. So basically what we are doing is we are looking for a pattern like this with shoulders and a head, and we wait the price then to break our neckline level and enter short or long. So we enter short on straight head and shoulders pattern, and we enter long on inverse head and shoulders pattern. So let's test it. And here is the final results table. You can pause and check it yourself now, and we will discuss it in details in the end of the video. Now let's check our code, starting with some config files. First is config.json. It's a basic configuration file for FreakTrade Python package. Next, backtest.json. It's a file that specifies some parameters for our trading logic. Next, crypto.json. Here we have list of 100 most liquid tickers that we are using. Next, US stocks, similar file but for stocks market, then futures and forex. Now let's check the main script. So first, it's our class strategy. Hyperparameters, they have default values from original video, and later we will optimize them. Here we have parameter map for each time frame and market, configuration for our plot, some support functions for applying dynamic parameters, and then find extreme functions to find minimums and maximums, detect pattern to detect head and shoulders, and our main functions populate entry and exit trends. So it's our basic trading logic. So here is entry logic and our exit logic, MA based. Now let's check the visualization of our trading process. So here is our plot. You can see our prices, moving average for exit conditions, volume, and let's check one example of an inverse head and shoulders. So we have our left shoulder, our head, and right shoulder, and here is our neckline level. And as you can see here, price breaks neckline level and we enter a long trade, and then we exited due to moving average crossing and secure some profit. Next, another example on 1 hour time frame. Here you can see a straight head and shoulders pattern. So here we have our left shoulder, right shoulder, head, and our neckline level. Once again, price breaks our neckline level, we enter a short trade, and then due to moving average crossover, we secure some profit. Another example on 1 hour time frame. So here you can see a little bit skewed head and shoulders pattern, our left shoulder, head, and right shoulder, and here you can see our neckline level. So once again, you can see a candlestick breaks our neckline level, we enter a short trade, and here we have our profit. And now let's see some example on 1 day time frame. So once again, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder, and our neckline level. Once again, to the right, you can see that our price breaks our neckline level and we enter a long trade, and price actually goes up and we secure our profits. And another example on futures market. So as you can see, we have an inverse head and shoulders pattern. So we have a left shoulder, right shoulder, and a head and a neckline level. And this candlestick breaks our neckline level. We expect price to go up and a long trade, but instead, price goes down and we exit with loss. So here our stop loss is triggered. Now let's get to the results. Starting with crypto market, 1 day time frame. You can see the command that I use on the top. And here we have our stats. And for 1 day time frame, we only have 2 trades. And our sharp is negative, -26. And our profit is -$32. Next 4 hours time frame, our best and worst performing tickers, and this time we have 31 trade. Our sharp is positive, it's 0.19, and our profit is only $46. Next, let's move to 1 hour time frame, our stats, and this time sharp is positive, 5.87, and we've made $767. 30 minutes time frame, once again best and worst performing tickers, and once again positive sharp, 4.63, and our profit is $300. Now 15 minutes. This time our sharp is negative, -18, and we lost nearly $1,000. 5 minutes time frame, and again negative sharp, -400, and we lost $6,000. 3 minutes time frame, everything is negative again, and sharp is -900, and we've lost $3.8 thousand. And finally, let's check 1 minute time frame. Yeah, everything is negative again, and this time our sharp is -8,000 and we lost $6,000 again. Next, let's move to stocks market. Once again, starting with 1 day time frame. And on 1 day time frame, we have 0 trades. So our profit is 0. Let's move to 2 hours. This time we have only 15 trades. Our sharp is negative minus 1.39 and we lost just $35. Let's move to 1 hour. This time we have more than 100 trades. Our sharp is 0.12 and we made only just $6. 30 minutes, our stats. And sharp is minus 2.6 and we've lost about $100. 15 minutes. And once again negative sharp minus 2.3 and we've lost $63. 5 minutes time frame, our stats. And again negative sharp minus 38 and we've lost $261. And finally 1 minute time frame. So sharp is negative minus 500 and we've lost $468. Now let's move on to results on US futures market, starting with 1 day time frame. And we have only 4 trades on 1 day time frame. And our sharp is minus 0.3 and we've lost $26. 4 hours time frame, this time 12 trades. And our sharp is minus 0.65 and we lost nearly $20. 1 hour time frame, this time more than 300 trades. And our sharp is minus 1.79 and our profit is minus $93. 30 minutes time frame, once again negative sharp minus 1.41 and we lost $63. 15 minutes time frame, negative sharp once again minus 5.87 and we lost $258. 5 minutes time frame, and our sharp is negative minus 77 and we lost $1.8 thousand. 3 minutes time frame, everything is negative again. Our sharp is minus 129 and we lost $1.9 thousand this time. And finally let's check 1 minute time frame. Everything is negative once again and negative sharp minus 454 and we lost nearly $7,000. And finally let's get to Forex market results, once again starting with 1 day time frame. Not many trades here, only 16. And our sharp is negative minus 0.18 and we lost $8. 4 hours time frame, this time more trades, more than 100. And our sharp is positive 0.4 and our profit is only just $14. 1 hour time frame, and this time our sharp is negative minus 4.49 and we lost $47. 30 minutes time frame, once again negative sharp minus 19 and we've lost more than $100. Next 15 minutes time frame, our stats. And sharp is negative minus 48 and we've lost $266. 5 minutes time frame, once again negative sharp minus 247 and we've lost $293. And finally 1 minute time frame, negative sharp minus 2000 and we lost $300. Now let's get to the results of hyperparameter optimization. As always, you can see the command that I use here on top, and we are starting with crypto market 4 hours time frame. Here are some outputs, and our best profit is $245. That's quite an improvement. And here are best parameters. Next, stocks market 2 hours time frame. Best profit is only $8, but it's still better than without optimization. And best parameters are here. Next, futures market 4 hours time frame. Once again, our best parameters, and our best profit is only $13. So that's once again not much. And finally, Forex market 4 hours time frame. Let's see. And once again, our best profit is not very high. It's only $13. And here you can see best parameters. And let's get to the final results table. Here we have all markets, all time frames, including hyperparameter optimization. So as you can see, it's mostly red, so not a very profitable trading strategy. Best results on crypto market on time frames about 1 hour to 4 hours. And still, even with optimization, our profits are less than $1,000. And it's not really impressive because our losses are sometimes about $6,000 or $7,000, which is way more. So this strategy may work fine, but it needs some adjustments, some additional logic, and as it is, it's not really profitable.